Hey guys, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining us today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my 6th recipe from my gut-healing smoothie ebook, So Many Gut-healing Smoothies. Today it's my gut-healing passionate smoothie. Enjoy. So just like every smoothie I make, I get all my ingredients out ready to go. So as you can see here, I've got my passion fruits. I've got some cashews that have been soaking overnight. I've got my perfect organic raw coconut oil, the perfect grass-fed hydrolyzed collagen powder. I've got some vanilla powder, 1 avocado, some maple syrup, coconut water, and then I'll put some ice in at the end. So there's 6 passion fruits here. I'm going to put 2 aside. These 4, I'm actually going to strain them through a sieve. In the recipe in the ebook I haven't done this, but I'm going to do it because I just prefer it without the grittiness of all the passion fruit seeds. So as you can see, all the juice is coming out of the seeds, and then I'm going to add that into the smoothie. So there's all the yucky seeds, and there's all the juice. See, it made a fair bit. Okay, so in my blender jug, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of coconut water. We're not affiliated with any brands in particular at all, but I really do like this brand because I know that their coconut water is one of the purest on the market. So I've got my coconut water, then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of coconut oil, the perfect raw organic coconut oil. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Then I'm going to add in the passion fruit juice, a teaspoon of organic maple syrup, the avocado, a handful of soaked cashews. So last but not least, I'm going to add in 2 scoops of the perfect grass-fed hydrolyzed collagen powder. So this is the gut healing element. I've already got 1 scoop in there. Add 1 more. Then I'm going to whiz it up, and then I'll add the ice right at the end and give it another whiz. To add in the frozen banana. Wouldn't be the same without the frozen banana. So I'm putting 2 frozen bananas into the smoothie, and then I'll whiz it up again. So I've added a little bit of the fresh passion fruit pulp to the glass, and then I've topped it up with a smoothie. Then I'm going to add a little bit more passion fruit, a little bit more smoothie, and then finish with the passion fruit. So there you have it, guys. That's our gut healing passionate smoothie with the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder. If you liked today's video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.